Alright guys, now check this out. I've got 199,999 miles on the car. And it's pretty much been problem free. And basically, it's one secret that's kept this car on the road this long and problem free is changing the oil. It's just that simple, guys. Maintenance, and what I mean maintenance, primarily changing the oil. You change your oil, your vehicle will last a very long time. So what am I in? A Honda, Toyota, you know, something like that? Nope. I'm in a Chevy Malibu. Chevy Malibu is a 2014. I can use a new set of tires. Oh, there we go. 200,000 on the dash right there, guys. 200,000 on the dash. So like I said, guys, it's not a secret. It's nothing too special. Just change your oil and don't abuse your car, and it will be good to you. Chevy Malibu, guys. Nothing special about it. All right, that's it.